Hello and welcome to this Profometer Corrosion PM8500 tutorial. Odometer calibration. On completion of this tutorial, you'll be able to calibrate the measured distance of the wheel electrodes. If you are using the 1 or the 4 wheel electrode, it is recommended to calibrate the odometer for each different project. Step 1. Access the probe information clicking the Info button. You can either calibrate the 1 wheel or the 4 wheel electrodes individually. Step 2. Select your electrode and start the calibration process by clicking Calibrate. Step 3. Watch the video to understand the process. You can replay the video anytime and close it by pressing Proceed. If you want to watch the video again, you can click the Question button. Step 4. Once you are ready, you can set the real distance you want to calibrate against. Input the set distance, and then press Confirm. Step 5. Once you are ready, press the play button and start rolling the wheel electrode. You will see the position of the wheel electrode moving on the iPad screen. Step 6. Once you reach the end of the distance, press the Stop button. You will see that the measured distance will be slightly different to the real one. Step 7. You can save the new calibration value, keep the previous one, or redo it. Step 8. You can always reset the odometer value to factory settings. Now the odometer of your wheel electrode is calibrated, and you are ready to define the settings.